What's good, Old Next family? This your boy Old Next. A little comeback with another video. Hey man, say man, look, alright, so peep this, right? Y'all been DM me. Y'all been DM me like crazy. Like y'all DM me like every single day. My Instagram, I swear to God, my Instagram DMs go dumb. I swear to God. But I appreciate y'all for the support and for the other things that y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like no joking, you know what I'm saying? We about to go through the dread side of my DMs, like all the questions, basically this is like a Q&A, you know what I'm saying, to everybody who be DM me. Shout out everybody who DM me. Shout out to everybody who be following me on Instagram. Shout out to all that, you know what I'm saying, I got an interview like most of y'all, you know what I'm saying. I got like 2 more interviews coming up. That's like next week. I'm gonna be doing a rating. I'm gonna do a reacting to my subscribers' dreads. And then I'm gonna do a reacting. I'm probably still gonna do a rating, and then I'm probably gonna do and then I got like two more interviews I need to do next week. So yeah, we're gonna get that popping. Y'all already know how we doing. Get straight into the video, you know what I'm saying, giving y'all tips on whatever y'all been asking me on Instagram. So let's get straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go straight. You feel me? He said you should low key do a reaction to my song. I clicked on this thing, right? And I'm like, bruh, I mess with dude dreads. You feel me? So I mess with his dreads, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know where he started it. It's kind of like he just now starting his dreads, but at the same time, I don't know. It looked like he had a big afro and then he just started his dreading process. You get what I'm saying? Is it out for search? Okay, we about to go in and listen to his music like right quick. Right quick, just a little sneak, just a little. Okay, hey, Matrix the God, hey, shout out to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I just did a reaction. I did like a little semi-reaction because I don't want to. This video is not all about you, like no cap. This video ain't all about you, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you some love in the video, and I don't want to get copyrighted. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I just showed like a little snippet. If y'all want me to do a full reaction to this video, man, hey man, hit that like button for me down below. Comment down below y'all want to see a full reaction. Hey Matrix, tell all your friends, whatever. Comment down below they want to see a full reaction to that song, bro. I got you. Capalot going crazy with the so I started using the sponge method. Capalot, why? Y'all be sending me like crazy pictures. Capalot doing the light skin face. I started using the sponge method. I really don't know how it looks, how it's supposed to look, bro. Yo hair. It looks good, bro. It's free form. You feel me? It's not no certain type of way like it's supposed to look or it's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look, bro. Your hair is free form. You know, you understand what I'm saying? If your dreads ain't like getting retwisted, all that type of stuff, like every 2 to 4 months, then your dreads ain't supposed to. Even then, your dreads still ain't supposed to look like a certain type of way. Y'all get what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. And you say, how do you get your dreads like this? And this Didi, I think this name Didi 3 times, whatever. He like, how you get your dress like that, bro? This sponge method, bro. You doing it right. It just, his hair has more, like, you feel me? Like he got more hair around the sides. You only got hair. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, like me, I cut my back off. You cut like all of this off. You cut all of this off, bro. You know what I'm saying? And with Didi 3 times or whatever this man's name is, I don't watch Funny Mike like that. I used to watch Funny Mike, but I don't watch him like that. But yeah, he got his hair like going all around. You get what I'm saying, bro? It's like a temp fade all around. Hey, Deuce. Shout out to my boy Deuce. I'm gonna go ahead and review your dreads right quick. Just a little look. You know what I'm saying? Look, peep the man's dress. And look, I got an interview for y'all coming up with Deuce too. So you know what I'm saying? Hey, he look like he on some slime jump too. So hey, I ain't gonna get too far into that. Y'all go follow my boy Deuce. Y'all see it right there. 13,000 followers. You know what I'm saying? Doing this thing. Shout out to that boy EJ. You know what I'm saying? Shout out. If y'all haven't already, go watch that whole interview me and EJ did. You know what I'm saying? Classic interview. Classic. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go support that. E-Dub, I'm still waiting on the interview from you. You dig what I'm saying? I'm waiting on the interview. Alright, bro. He said, is your hair like that? That's why I was trying to see how fast. Yo, shout out to that boy Heartbreaking. I would give you tips on your hair, but at the same time, you sound like the photo the message photo, so like when you play it, like you can't play it again. You feel me? But I was gonna tell him, hey, you trying to do an interview right quick? Shout out to that boy Heartbroken Sav, because he was gonna be the first person I interviewed and stuff like that. That's why I was trying to see how faster. Look, bro, let me tell y'all something with y'all in these faster hair growths, and I'm just gonna talk to y'all. Alright, so I don't know if y'all trying to ask how to, either y'all trying to ask how to lock y'all hair faster or how to make y'all hair grow faster. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff that has to that you have to come in thinking of when you think of hair growth. First off, you know what I'm saying? First off, your genes. It all depends on your genes. Second of all, it depends on how you take care of your hair. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta be like a great fanatic and just taking care of your hair, but you can't be doing crazy stuff with your hair, like dyeing it each and every, like you. When you do stuff, you gotta be mindful of what it's doing to your hair. It's just like your body. You understand what I'm saying? You're not about to sit there and eat 20,000 pieces of candy and then be like, why am I getting fat? Or something like, you know what I'm saying? Like, why am I unhealthy? Something like that, right? So that's what you just not gonna do. You just not gonna do that, right? Damn, I gotta edit all this part of this shit. But yeah, like, I lost what I was thinking. But yeah, that's just something that you're not gonna do. You're not gonna be like, okay, I just ate about 20 pounds of hamburgers. Okay, why my stomach like this? So y'all gotta treat y'all hair the same way. Like, y'all can't ask me crazy questions. Y'all know y'all can hit me up anytime about anything. But like, one dude literally sat here and asked me about every single video that I made on. Now, mind you, I have to remake all those videos that I made in the past because I have more knowledge now. You get what I'm saying? About what to use in your hair, what not to use, this and that and the third. So this coming week, I'm gonna be making all those type videos. You get what I'm saying? But at the same time, I sat here countless videos telling y'all on when to get your hair retwisted, what products to use, when to use a product, when to use your do-rag, when not to wear your do-rag. You get what I'm saying? So if you coming in my DM asking me the same questions that I'm literally making the title about, bro, how to grow your hair faster, I think that's one of my popular videos on this channel. You get what I'm saying? I appreciate the support that y'all be giving me. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually seeing the support. You understand what I'm saying? I'm actually seeing y'all like the videos. I'm actually seeing y'all comment on videos. I'm actually seeing y'all watching videos. You get what I'm saying? So I appreciate all the support. And sooner I'm gonna be pushing out more rapidly. But right now, I'm just, my mindset, as you see, like I'm barely making this video, you feel me? Because one thing I'm not gonna do is, one thing I'm not gonna be like is, I'm not gonna be fake towards y'all, you know what I'm saying? Two things that I won't do on y'all. I'm not gonna be fake towards y'all, and I'm not gonna stun on y'all, you feel me? It's some people in this life, but some people in life, mainly, I ain't gonna say, rappers do this a lot. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say rappers do this a lot, where they get on Instagram, they showing all this. Nah, that's cool. That's cool. Like, that's cool. You got all that, this and that, and the third. But you showing niggas that you got all that, and you talking about rapping and trapping and killing black people, and it just. I'm going a little too deep for y'all. I understand y'all don't want to hear this, so click off the video right now if you don't want to hear this. But you showing off all this money, but you ain't even showing the brother how to get the money. You get what I'm saying? But you showing off all this money, but you ain't telling them how you getting the money. You feel me? And even if your fans want to be rappers, tell them how they get streaming money. Tell them how they get royalties, what to do with their royalties. Man, take knowledge of these people instead of using these people and just self-destructing these people. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't mess with people these days, because it's all about showing off and self-destruction. You get what I'm saying? Like, you showing off how much money you got, which is really fake money, because if you understood money, then you'll understand that the dollar is actually deflating. You get what I'm saying? So you steady showing off paper, my nigga. That's not. Anyways, y'all need to tune in, bro. But y'all showing off paper, like, that ain't even the real, like, that's not even the real currency, bro. You feel me? Y'all want to have access to gold. Y'all want to start investing in stuff. Y'all don't want to keep buying liabilities. And if you don't know what a liability is, that's like a car. Anything that's depreciating in value. You get what I'm saying? See, this can be a liability. Your phone can be a liability, but if you use your phone the right way, you can make the money back off of that you make the phone, that you paid for the phone for. You get what I'm saying? So, hey man, I mess with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I mess with y'all. You know, ain't no other YouTuber gonna hop on this thing, and y'all gonna be hearing more about money from me. You get what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be hearing more money knowledge from me. So if you watch all my videos, if you watch the whole video, whatever, y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all gems. I'm gonna be dropping gems on y'all. Catch y'all folks later. Appreciate all the support. Like I say, y'all can DM me, y'all can hit me up on Instagram, do whatever. You dig what I'm saying? Peace.